Warning! 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 This is not a test, it's a emergency alert systems by a Federal Aviation Administration. We have a Mandela effect that caused the plane to disappear. Multiple people die due to a Mandela effects. It happens on the continent Asia, like South Korea, Japan and other countries that get the same effect. There's no continent named Asia. Please understand this message, do not ignore it. I repeat, do not ignore it. It's not a fiction, it's real. Multiple people have suffering a Mandela effect. Please do not travel to scary with effect countries. Mandela effect is one of them important news at all.